Hello everyone! Today, I will guide you through a simple trick to hide your taskbar on Windows 11. It's a great way to keep your desktop neat and tidy. To start, simply right-click anywhere on your taskbar. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Taskbar Settings. This will open a new window with various options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Taskbar Behavior. Here, you'll see an option that says Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Check the box next to it, and voila! Your taskbar will disappear from view. But don't worry, it's not gone forever. To bring it back, just hover your mouse cursor at the bottom of the screen. The taskbar will reappear, allowing you to access your favorite apps and shortcuts when you're done. Simply move your cursor away, and the taskbar will hide again. If you ever want to revert this setting and keep the taskbar visible at all times, just go back to Taskbar Settings and uncheck the Automatically Hide the Taskbar option, and there you have it. A quick and easy way to customize your Windows 11 taskbar. Give it a try and enjoy a clutter-free desktop experience.